Okay, so let's introduce. Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Musumoliwa Adeleke. So today we are going to be doing something I've never ever done before, and this is a challenge. We are going to be decorating this place for a bridal shower. Our friend or our auntie or our sister is getting married. Yes, so this is Marvelous.
Hello guys.
Evelyn and Vivian. So the rest of them, they are enjoying themselves at the traditional wedding, so we want to start decorating. So already here we have balloons. We are doing more of balloons decoration, just something simple. We don't want something that will stress us too much. So come with us on the journey. We hope you enjoy this and you get inspirations to decorate your bridal shower like this. So there was a frame here before. There was a frame here already, and we've already brought it down because the banner of the bride is supposed to be there. So let's get to work. I need to fix my leg.
Okay, so you guys, we were using balloons, decor, and it was an easy task, just inflating the balloons and using them as decoration. So what we did was we got some ribbons, we rolled some. I had done that at home before. So what we just did was we took the balloons we had blown and then we put the ribbons around them and we stuck them to the ceiling. Now, sorry, I was supposed to have shown you guys the things we used for this decoration, well, I totally forgot. So the stuff we used, sorry I couldn't show you, but there's something called balloon glue. That's what we used. It's easy to use, not difficult, and it basically makes your work more it makes your work less stressful. So you put it on the balloon and then you just stick it to wherever you want to stick it. You don't have to press it, you don't have to put too much pressure, just stick it to where you want. Just let them into the balloon and it just sticks like that. Can you see how it's just sticking? Yes, so that's what we're doing. And then we started inflating the balloon, the bride to be inscription balloon. So you can, there's the bride to be is like a balloon in like a set in a pack, and we bought it for like 2,000 naira, I think, if I remember correctly. So it has the letters bride to be. So we are going to put that on the wall. Actually, this plain part of the wall had a frame. It had a frame, so we removed it. It had a frame from the hotel. We used the hotel room, so we removed it and kept it aside because we needed that part to put the bride to be. So basically, yeah, this is the work. Just arranging, putting the balloons, working with balloons and all.
Hey guys, so this is how far we have gone so far. We have put these things to the side because we don't need them, and yes, we have fixed the balloons to the ceiling, and we are trying to blow the balloon for the bride to be inscription. So yes, okay, this is the table. Here is the card. The bride's name is Esther actually. So here is the card, and here is the cake for yeah, so beautiful actually, so beautiful. So these are sweets. I forgot, I should have brought like a plate or something to have these sweets, but we'll try to do something with it, sha. Okay, so you guys remember my decor sticks, so I'm going to be using them here, although we are going to kind of use the decor sticks to play a game with the bride when she comes. So I have 4, and then let me have another 4 here. Let me put another. You can talk. Okay, so now let me scatter these sticks. Yeah. Okay, so I have, now at this stage we have to improvise. So I think we are going to pour more sweets here. They are supposed to be drinks, but I forgot to get the drinks. Where are the sweets? Okay. Thank you, my darling. So we're going to put it here. should have brought some plates from home. Okay, so yes, we're getting there. You guys, can you see this hotel? See, they didn't clean their table, the back of their table. So we have to do the job now. And they will let me not talk too much anyway. Okay, so yes.
Okay, so this is the card that I made for the bride. So what we did was the bridal shower ladies and other few ladies who wanted to write their stuff in it. I wrote their stuff in it. Basically, the things we wrote in it were prayers from each of us with our names and surnames. So this was me writing the prayers of other people who had not had their prayers, inside the card. Okay, so can you guys see how far we are coming and everything? So this is the bride to be inscription balloon. Can you see how we have stuck the balloon to the ceiling and all? So we are using the same balloon glue to attach or to fix the bride to be inscription to the wall.
So here we're basically rounding up, you guys, blowing more balloons than needed, and we're blowing the remaining of the balloons. For this project we got about 100 balloons, so we used like let's say we used like 98% of the balloons, because there were some balloons that were bad, some were busting and everything. So yeah, that's it. We're basically rounding up, and I'm so grateful for the people that worked with me and everybody. So thanks to everyone who made this possible. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
Okay, so here it was basically just rounding up the work that we had done, arranging the table, the cards, fixing the decor things that needed to be fixed, and what have you.
Guys, so here is the end result, and I think we really did a good job. I'm actually proud of myself. It's simple. Yeah, help us to replace balloons. Yes, so this is the table, and let's move into the bridal shower. I should drop the curtains back.
Okay, so you guys remember the paper petals I taught you how to make on my YouTube channel? I made, I think, about 1,000 of them, and we used it for this wedding. We used it during the traditional engagement, and now we use them for the bridal shower. So we use this to form the love, we use it to form love on the bed. So here is it, guys. See how beautiful our work is. See lovely paper petals. Thank you for being on this journey with me. Until next time, bye bye.